Hey guys, Kurt here with NK Garage, and I got a short video for you guys today. But I wanted to take you along with a little experience I had with Ridgid shop vacs. Something a little interesting, something that I just thought about and tried based on some garbage I found on the side of the road. So let's take a look at what we got over here. All right, so as you guys will see here, we have two of the Ridgid 9-gallon shop vacs here. These are the ones with the peak horsepower of 4.25. And these sell at Home Depot. I believe they're regularly priced at $129.99. And right now they're actually on sale for $99.99, which is like totally a steal, for a good, medium duty shop vac, just for little things. That's totally a great price. So here's what happened. Me and Nick were driving around to a job site for landscaping business that we have, and we saw this guy sitting on the side of the road in somebody's junk pile. So, of course, we pulled over, grabbed it, threw it in the back of the truck, and then at the end of the day, I brought it back in the shop and plugged it in, and I found out the reason why they threw it out. It wasn't working anymore. And they weren't nice enough to get us the hose with it. Obviously, they kept that for themselves. But I decided, let me test Ridgid's full lifetime warranty. And, this is something I didn't know if I was even going to get anything back from them, because maybe they want a receipt, proof of purchase, this, that, the other. How strict are they going to be? What kind of, deal are they going to do? Are they going to send replacement parts? So I looked into it, found out it's actually not that hard. If you have access to the internet and a camera or a phone, and you can take 4 small pictures of your vacuum, you can do this process if you're having an issue. Basically what they want to see is they want to see your power switch, they want to see your serial number and model number, which will be right on this tag, and then on the inside they want to see the back of the blower fan here. In particular, they want to see, it's a little tricky to get, but that nut in there, you kind of have to put the camera right between the 2 bars here. And that's especially what they want to see, because I guess that's how they tell if the thing has been abused or not. But basically, they tell you that these things have a lifetime warranty, and they specify that, they will, there is a expected life out of these vacuums. So they're going to take a look at yours, and they're going to send it to their team and see, if yours looks like it's 100 years old and used on every job site that you ever have, or if, it's a newer model that might have just failed, prematurely. So they're going to make a decision based off that. But given the condition of this vacuum, I mean, whoever had this, maybe it was a couple years old. I don't see it being any older than that. It looks exactly like the brand new one they sent me. So they had me send those pictures in. I submitted the form. I had to resubmit pictures of that nut on the inside. The pictures that I sent weren't clear enough for them. They really wanted a very zoomed in picture of that. So I did all that, and after a couple weeks of waiting, they said that I was good to go and that they were sending me a new power head in the mail. Well, it turns out they just sent me a whole new vacuum, which was totally cool, because not only did I get the power head that was bad, but I got the hose, attachments, I got the user manual, and everything that goes along with it when you buy one of these vacuums new. So I'm going to give them, I'm going to say a 5 out of 5. I think, that's a great warranty. They didn't, bother me asking me for a receipt, all kinds of proof of purchase. I'm sure they looked up the serial number to see that it was a valid model that has been purchased and paid for, and that it wasn't already warranted. But beyond that, they don't, go after you for all that paperwork that most of us probably don't know where it is. So if you do end up buying one of these vacuums, or you have one that you already bought and you're having an issue with it, definitely check out that warranty. I'm going to be putting it in the link on this description, because this is why we choose certain brands, guys. This is exactly why, you would buy something like this, because that full lifetime warranty, that means a lot. You're definitely paying for it in the price. Although these are very reasonably priced vacuums, you're still paying for that warranty. There are other brands that will not give that to you. And you're also giving them brand loyalty by choosing them. You know, Ridgid makes all sorts of products, so, you know, they gain brand loyalty from that as well. So I'm pretty happy with that. Other than that, I mean, I got to say, you know, we have several of their shop vacs. There's actually another one in this room right here. There's another one in that room, and I have 2 of them at home. I have a small little one, and then I have a big one that I use for big projects. You know, these things are great. You know, they're not anything super heavy duty, but they're not super expensive. They're reasonably priced, and they do a reasonable job. So I got to say, Ridgid's got me locked down. You know, this is my choice of wet dry vac, and the warranty checks out. So I was happy to give that a test and prove it and help you guys figure out how to warranty your vacuums. So I think that's it for today's video. You know, just a quick little thing here, but I want you guys to go ahead, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Check out our other videos. We got content coming out pretty much every single week. And if you have more time on your hands and you're looking to check out similar but different kind of content, check out our other channel, NK Landscaping LLC. That's where we show you guys our day-to-day business and the projects and jobs that we do. Everything from drainage, light excavation, landscape installations, and hardscaping. So go check that out if you got time. Like and subscribe over there as well. And we'll see you guys on the next one. And have a great day.